Invisor app pricing explained what you get for your money. Invisor is an investment tracking app that consolidates your portfolios, including stocks, ETFs, and crypto. Many people assume comprehensive tracking apps are expensive, but Invisor offers a clear pricing model. The app is free to download, and basic portfolio tracking for a limited number of accounts is included. For unlimited accounts, real-time analytics, and advanced performance insights, the premium subscription costs $99 per month or annually. There are no hidden fees, and the app supports multi-currency tracking. Most people get this wrong by assuming that free apps can't provide actionable insights. The surprising truth is that even the free tier allows for portfolio consolidation, performance charts, and alerts. Premium enhances this by providing deeper analysis, helping investors spot trends and optimize allocations. In conclusion, Invisor offers transparent pricing and powerful portfolio tracking. Both beginners and experienced investors can benefit from its tools without worrying about hidden costs.